Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Page. I'm from Cyan Technology. We make platforms for smart metering and we're particularly focused on the Indian market. So Cylec is the name of our AMI platform. It's a new generation of AMI platform based around RF mesh technology, and it was interesting this morning to hear Mr. Bansal. I don't want to talk about technology for the sake of technology. I want to talk about the solutions that this technology brings. So it enables us to eliminate losses by very accurate tamper detect, and it also gives the ability to utility companies for perhaps the first time to have real good knowledge of their metering networks. And using this information, it should be possible to enhance billing revenues that generated by deploying this system. So a very quick overview is that we have technology that enables a meter to become a wireless smart meter quite easily. It's a simple integration. And we've done this integration with 5 or 6 Indian metering companies now already. I won't mention the names, but 5 of the top 10 metering companies in India have integrated our wireless product into their meters to enable them to have an interoperable wireless smart meter system based on our platform. So we have mesh networks running at 865 megahertz, which is a great frequency band that the Indian government has enabled for this particular application. They talk via the internet over GPRS back to software that we provide, and we call this head-end software. So this provides a simple interface to the utility to enable them to have the information regarding tamper, meter reading, load survey, and from this they can build new technologies to ensure they get their billing revenue. They can have load management, outage control, power monitoring. So the components of the Cylec platform are an RF module with secure two-way communication. The module can work in 2 ways. The same module, it can be used to read meters via a handheld CMRI device, or also via a data concentrator providing full AMI. So one solution that we're finding utility companies are particularly interested in is that initially they will do deployments to read the meters using a handheld CMRI device, and later on they will install concentrators as necessary to have full AMI platform system. So we provide RF module, self-forming mesh network, interoperable between meter manufacturers. We provide data concentrator units that give network management and programmable scheduling of readings. If you only want to read meters daily, weekly, monthly, that's where that control is based. Another key part of an AMI platform is how does the utility company or the system integrator integrate to that network. So we also provide software that sits on the enterprise servers, and we call this head-end software. This has a very simplified interface to the large-scale network, and this enables you to have asset management, meter data management systems, and a very easy interface into billing systems. One thing that Uday mentioned this morning, which I thought was spot on really, it was that the ecosystem in smart grid is complex. There's a very quite dense slide there. These are all the different partners and players that operate in this space. So from one side you have the companies that generate the power, and you have the consumers on the other side. And between one and the other there are meter manufacturers, system integrators, a whole range of different providers. What the Cyan solution aims to do is to make it easier for these suppliers to add value. So for example, once our platform is installed, the system integrator can add value by offering different services to the utility company. The utility company can take advantage of increased revenue assurance primarily.